friends, today we are going to try a herb. It's not a herb, it's a leaf also. It's a like Spanish leaf you can try, and this is called Ponnaganti Kora. It's in Andhra, not only in Andhra, even you can see in Tamil Nadu, even in Kerala also I think the peoples are using it. So this dish we are going to try today. I think you guys have seen this leaf. It's really, it's prepared in our home itself. This leaf is, see, we already done it. So this leaves I can't show because already this cutted, this much only we got. So this leaves you guys about little bit I just explain about this leaf. This leaf contains more good source of nutritional value like beta carotene, iron, fiber, calcium and vitamin C and A. You can use this by consuming with raw and cooked it fry or with a dal. You can cook it. We are going to try with a dal. It's highly nutritional value. Even it improve your dietary health. Even this Ponnaganti Kora, it's used for beauty products. You know this Ponna. Ponna means it's a gold. So it's used for beauty product as well. And it's available this year around, this leaves. Its English abbreviation is drafting copper. It's a drafting copper leaf. So we are going to try one dal with it. So okay friends, we are going to try now the recipe Ponnaganti Kora. So for that first we have to use sambar dal, then Ponnaganti Kora, then 2 tomatoes, half onion and 2 chilies. So now we are going to mix dal, sambar dal, 3 tea glasses it is. Nicely wash it off and put it in the pressure cooker. Next going to add tomatoes, onions and green chili. I forgot to say we have to use turmeric. It's 1 tablespoon. Then we are going to add the herb, the leaves. It's really good for health. At least weekly once you guys can try. It's really good for eyes. That's the main thing in this. Eyesight problems. More children nowadays eyesight problems are more because of watching TVs, mobiles. Really, it's really good for their health. And pour water. So cook in a medium heat for at least 4 to 5 whistles. If making a pot, add more water as needed so that it should be cooked until it's soft and mushy. So guys, now already cooked, the dal is nicely cooked now. And now going to add tamarind extract. It's a pinch of lime, small lime size ball we're taking. Nicely mix it off.
2 seconds.
Now keep in the stove for around 2 seconds so that that extract of tamarind nicely mix off. Okay, next we are going to add 1 spoon of chili powder and combine well. So 1 spoon of salt also adding with this. Now nicely combine well. So now for frying, we are taking the pan. In that pan, we already put it 4 tablespoons of oil. Now added garlic, 1 full. Garlic and all, it decides on your taste and needed. After that, next going to add chana dal, jeera, mustard seed and urad dal. Now a little bit fry off. The garlic, that raw smell should go off. Then going to add half onion and 2 chilies. Then dry red chilies. You can add 2. According to your taste, this and all you added. Because some people like more, some people like spices less. Depend on your own taste. All things are nicely sorted well. Now see onions, the nice aroma smell is coming. Really super smell that is. And we added curry leaves also in that. So now I'm going to add ingwa, a pinch, so that we should off the stove. Then we should add it. Now next going to add dal. It already be cooked in the pressure cooker. So okay guys, so Ponnaganti curry dal is ready now. Nice smell is coming. I hope you all guys liked it. If you liked it, you can also try in your home. After trying, comment. And if you liked our video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sorry guys, I just forgot you can have with it hot rice. Even with the chapati also you can have, or roti. So that's it. So please subscribe the channel.